Hi and welcome to part 6 of building my East Indian Rosewood Writing Slope. Start by cutting a rebate on the ends of each of the corners, which will be where the mitre is on the outside. So I've set my gauge and I won't change that now until I've marked everything out. So that little bit there is where the mitre is going to be. And so taking this rebate out that far away from the show surface and also that far down the inside of the box. I'll just mark it round towards the mitre as well. So I'm setting up here to mark for the tails. I've got my pin board, which I've cut out previously, and I've got the side of the box here clamped up against a square end, and obviously with the clamp across here to hold the pin board. That keeps it tight against each edge of the side. So I just slide my pin board in there, slide it down, and I know that's perfectly positioned to transfer the markings. So I can come in with a scratch awl and transfer the markings for the tails off the pins. Using the 1-in-1 corner of my marking template, I can then square those lines across. Join me next time as I work on some of the internal compartments.